Everyone loves to read other people's success stories. It provides us with evidence that amazing things do happen to normal people. By learning what they did to succeed, we come one step closer to success ourselves. Such is the case with the 10 stories told in Net Entrepreneurs. Only 10 entrepreneurs tell the stories of their success by Gregory K. Erickson and Ernst & Young. Erickson interviewed 10 of the most successful entrepreneurs at the turn of the century and presents their stories with a unique but effective use of lengthy quotes from the entrepreneurs. The quotes leave you with a feeling of having actually interviewed the entrepreneur yourself rather than reading a story about them. Each story is about 20 pages long but reads more like 10 pages because of the big print and free-flowing pace. The 10 entrepreneurs chronicled in the book are J.S. Walker, Priceline.com, Mike McNulty and Mike Hagan, VerticalNet, Christina Jones, P. Corder, William Porter and Christos Kotsakos, E-Trade, Gregory K. Jones, Ubud, Russell Horowitz, GoToNet, Ken Pasternak, Knight, Tremark, William Schrader, Sinnet, Pierre Omidyar, eBay, and Mark Cuban and Todd Wagner, Broadcast.com. Each entrepreneur has a unique story of how and why they saw the internet as a viable place to start a business, and each had a different way of getting there. But after reading all 10 stories, you can see some common threads between these extremely successful net entrepreneurs. Although this book was written at a time when internet business success was substantially easier, the book was published in 2000. Many of the core competencies that these entrepreneurs possess can be applied in any era to any industry. Each is extremely passionate about what they do to the point that they inspire others around them to have the same passion. Each is not afraid to take a risk, regardless of whether or not other people disagree with it. Along with that, each knows that failure is inevitable when taking risks and understands that future success depends on the ability to learn from failure and move on. Another interesting thing that was mentioned in 3 of the 10 stories is the fear of being blindsided by an opponent that they can't see coming. They all talk about the proverbial kid in his basement or garage that comes up with the technology that puts them out of business. When talking about Mark Cuban, Todd Wagner